Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to test a smoke detector easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. Once again, the topic of this video tutorial will be me showing you and telling you specifically how to test a smoke detector. And this will be a full tutorial with super easy instructions, so let's get right into this video. As you can see right here, this is a smoke detector. Now this is actually a combination smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector, okay? But your smoke detector is likely gonna look like this, whether it's a combo like I have, or just a smoke detector by itself. And testing it is actually really simple and straightforward, and you should be doing this on a regular basis. Safety is priority, so make sure you're doing this on a regular basis. Also, I should say this is my smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector. Yours might be a little bit different, so go look at your user manual if you want to be absolutely sure about what you're doing, which you should be, okay? So you should go look at your user manual. This is just a demonstration of how I do it with mine, so you can use this as like a reference point, but yours might be a little bit different, so go and read up on your specific model. Anyways, what you're gonna do, okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look on the surface here for a button that tells me that it is the testing button, okay? Now there's only one button here, and if I look, it says push to test or hush. Okay, it says push to test weekly or to hush, but basically this button will allow me to test the smoke detector or to silence it. Now we don't want to silence it, so obviously silencing it would be pushing that button if it's already going off. But to test it, you got to make sure your smoke detector is at an idle state like this, just regularly detecting, okay, just being there silently. And essentially what you're going to do to test it is you're going to press and hold this button down, hold the test button down for about a second. And usually there's going to be a beep, an initial beep to let you know that it's testing, okay? Some of them even will even say testing, right? But there's going to be some initial beep or something that lets you know it's testing. And then it's going to go beep, 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 or some variation of a chime, of a beep, and that will test the smoke detector's alarm system, an auditory system, essentially. And it's going to go off a number of times. I think this one does 2 sequences, if I remember, or 3 sequences, but of the beeps, and then it'll stop, and then the test is done, okay? Now, on other smoke detectors, like I have one on the upstairs of my house that's hardwired, okay? For that one, there's a test button, and as soon as you press it down and hold it down, it just immediately starts beeping until you release it. So it might be slightly different. Like I said, on that one, that other one that I have, you press down the test button and it starts beeping immediately until you release it. It just continues beeping until you release it. That's how you test that one. So it could be slightly different, but yeah, that's essentially how to do it. I'm not going to demonstrate it with this one now, the beeping, but essentially just press and hold the button down for about a second, and there's usually an initial beep or like some telling you that it's testing, some way of letting you know that it's testing the alarm system, that will let you know, that you're about to do a test, okay? And that's essentially, that is how to test a smoke detector easily. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a, like I said, sorry, before I finish this, go look at your user manual for your own smoke detector to make sure you're doing it absolutely correctly for your model. I need to say that again, okay? And that's truly it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.